Well, let's get to the story now about VRL Logistics. Why are we talking about VRL Logistics? Because the promoters offloading stake in the company for over 270 crore rupees, and this is going to be via open market transactions. What's going on? What's the real story? Let's go across to my colleague Samit, who's joining in with that. Good morning, Samit.
Well, in case of VRL Logistics, if you see, the promoter has sold close to 5.4% stake in the open market, and because of this, the promoter stake has gone down to 64.2%. But on the other side, it's the domestic institutional investors who have bought in the stake, like ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, Max Life Insurance, and Quant Mutual Funds. Now, these domestic institutional investors have increased their stake in the company anywhere between 0.6 to 0.7%, and their current holding in this company stands at close to 2 to 2.2%. Across ICICI Pru Mutual Fund, Quant Mutual Fund, and for Max Life, if you see. About the stock price, if you see, VRL Logistics is about to break its 200 DMA, and from the November lows, the stock has increased by nearly 12%, and in the last 1 year, it has grown nearly 27%. And going ahead, if you see the growth triggers for the company, firstly, there's a strong pickup that we are seeing in the goods and transport segment. There has been higher additions for the company on the corporate and the SME side. Also, festive season bookings were strong, and the selling of non-core business was one of the key triggers for the company. The company sold its bus business, which also led to a good amount of cash flow coming in the company's book. And lastly, if you see the company's valuations, VRL Logistics trades at a significant discount to its peers like TCI Express, Blue Dart, and Mahindra Logistics. In fact, the FY24 valuations for VRL Logistics stands at close to 19 times its earnings, while that of TCI Express, Blue Dart, Mahindra Logistics stands anywhere between 31 to 35 times. So good strong triggers and lower valuations, plus domestic institutional investors buying in stake in the company, are few positives coming in for VRL Logistics.
All right, thanks very much. We'll have that stock on our radar.